Hello everyone. Welcome to Koala Kindy. In today's lesson, we're going to learn A to Z of things in your supermarket. Are you ready? Let's go! A is for apples. B is for bananas. C is for cucumbers. And C is for carrots. D is for detergent. E is for eggs. F is for fish. G is for grapes. H is for ham. I is for ice cream. J is for juice. K is for kiwi fruit. L is for lemons. M is for milk. And M is for mushrooms. N is for noodles. O is for oranges. P is for potatoes. And P is for pumpkin. Q is for Q-tips. R is for rice. S is for spinach. T is for tomatoes. And T is for toothbrush. U is for udon. V is for vinegar. W is for walnuts. X is for XO sauce. Y is for yogurt. And Z is for zucchini.